we are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, as well as how to say more interesting words and phrases from Latin, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. The phrase itself means, the act does not make a person guilty unless the mind should be guilty. That's what it means, but how do you say it? Actus non facit reum nisi mensit rea. Actus non facit reum nisi mensit rea. Did you get this? Shall I repeat it? Actus non facit reum nisi mensit rea. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Latin words and phrases, useful things that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.